and in today's video I am going to show you how to edit a page and delete a page. So first we need to go to the pages section, and here all your published pages are visible. Here you can edit your published pages by clicking the single page. So let's edit the about page. Here it is. Here you can see this plus sign, and it's, if you click here you can browse all, and here you can add as many things as you want according to you and your website. Here you can add list, add a heading, add a paragraph, and many more. Here you can add the media section, file, media text, images, and many more. Here you can also include the buttons like this, and if you want to add a column, then you can get enough 3 or 4 according to your site space vertically, and you can fit that in like that. You can also add a calendar, so let's add a calendar. Here your calendar is there, just like this. Here I'm going to add a paragraph and write welcome to our about page. We are grateful that you like our website. Yes, and if you want to save all of these edits that you made, then you always have to click the update button, otherwise your edits will not be saved. And here you can go back, and if you want to delete a published page from here, then you have to click to this 3 dots, and here you can move a page to the trashed section, and here it is moved to your trash. And if you want to, you can also restore this, or you can also delete it if you really don't need that page. So if you want to restore it, then this page will be moved to the draft section, but as I don't want this page, so I'm going to delete it, and this page will be deleted permanently. So okay, I'll delete it. Page deleted. Yes, it's that simple. Thank you.